Good morning, everyone. How is everybody doing today? I hope everybody's doing fine. For today, I'm going to show you a project that I made for my grandchild, and it's more of making of bracelets and necklace out of beads from bbcraft.com and from Amazon. So initially, these are the materials that I used. These are glass e-beads that I bought from Walmart. Of course, you need an E6000 for your cabochons and your bail. And then I have some elastic cord for the bracelet. And I use some of the sequins to add more to the variation to the beads. I also use some letter beads, which I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I got that from the Dollar Tree. And I have some of this from my stash. And more of this sequins, the large one. I also use that. And I also use some black sequins from Walmart. I bought them too. And of course, the BB Craft beads that I got long ago, which I also featured it in one of my videos. And I got one from Amazon too, which I purchased this earlier, but this just came in recently. I also used some of them. So anyway, I want to show you how the bracelet and necklaces came out. So this is the bracelet that I made. One bracelet. Maybe I can put it in a so that you could see it well. Here, the bracelet I made for my grandchild Erin, and it's stretchable. You know, I made it out of elastic cord, and I also made this one for her. It's also an elastic bracelet there. I made that for her. I also made this for her. Small bracelet. I hope it fits her. Anyway, it's elastic, and I also made this bracelet. See, and you can see it from the black background. And I don't know if you've seen this also there. Okay. And I also made this one for her. See? These, and I made her name. Here's her name. Okay, I hope it's not blurred or there. And then some flowers. And this is the cabochon that I purchased before, which I showed you in my latest, my previous videos. And this is the bail that I stick on it. There, that goes there. And I made another bracelet. There, another bracelet for her. And more bracelet. I am having fun making this small bracelet for children. She hasn't turned 3 years old, but I hope this fits her because I use an elastic cord anyway, so I hope it fits her. And the rest, and now after this bracelets, I made her a necklace. That's the necklace. See, I'm gonna show you there. That's the necklace that I made there. I made 3 actually necklaces for her, and this one I also made for her. And if you can see this one, these are sequins that I included in the necklace, you know, to give it a little bit of design. It's another Hello Kitty, and that's how I made the necklace for her. There. And the last one that I made for her is this Barbie. I said I might as well make this out of necklace because I don't think so I can use it for my cards. And look at this one, guys. This is like a bead with a face. And there's a candy and then some hearts and butterflies and hearts and the round ones. So these are all the things I made for my grandchild. So I hope you can try making this one. They're not pretty hard and they're so fun to make. So I hope you like this small video that I made for charms, bracelet, and necklaces from BB Craft and from Amazon. So until my next project, I hope to see you again. Bye!